Hi guys, do you want to upgrade to Windows 11 22H2 and right now you are using 21H2, so the you want to upgrade to newest version of Windows 11 which is 22H2, and I'm here to help you out. In this video I'm going to show you exactly how to download and install Windows 11 22H2 with with Microsoft official site. So it's official way. Let's do it. As you can see, my current machine is on version 21H2 in here. I will after the update I will show you it's changed to 22H2 and the new changes they have done. Okay, so I'm going to close this window. First thing you need to do is to go to Google, any browser you want, and type Windows 11 22H2 download. Now go to the first link, which is from Microsoft.com, and it says download Windows 11. Current version is Windows 11 2022 update version 22H2. So that's what we need to install. So in here, go to we are going to install using installation assistant. So I'm gonna click download here, and I'm gonna open that. Okay, now you need to accept and install. That's it. Now it's downloading the files you need to install, upgrade to Windows 11 22H2, and it will take some time. I will come back after the download and installation is finished. Okay, as you can see, Windows 11 installation, first phase of installation is finished. Now it needs to restart to install other updates. So it will restart in 30 minutes if you let it be, or you can just click restart now button. So I'm gonna click restart now button and restart my PC and get the update. As you can see, it is finished now. Let's see the version now. So if I go to Windows and say so WinVer, as you can see the version has been changed to 22H2, and you can now group icon in start menu just like that. You can put a name, and you can do all the features in 22H2. So that's how you upgrade Windows 11 21H2 to 22H2, which is the latest version of Windows. So that's it for today's video. I hope this video helpful for you to find out how to download and install or how to upgrade to Windows 11, the latest version. So if that's the case, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time with another video like this. Bye bye.